Hey guys, it's Katie from Team Lucky Little Learners here to show you classroom transformations can be easy. Let me share 7 quick tips to turn your classroom into a snow globe. We're diving right in with step 1, schedule your snow globe transformation. We have a schedule prepared for every part of the day and even behavior management. We also have a rules poster and centers signs to have your students easily rotate and check off which centers they visited during the day. Step 2 is to send home a note a week or so before. I use this to ask for any materials they might need to bring that day. Step 3 is set it up, and you can really have your decor simple or you can go all out. I use this ideas list for inspiration, and I decided to go with a banner and paper snowflakes. Take a look at what this teacher did in her classroom. She went all out. Transformations can be as simple as you want, or you can make them huge. It is totally up to you and what you feel like doing. Classroom transformations just provide a day away from the ordinary and give you and your students a much needed break while still providing some effective and engaging academic practice. I also went with a snow globe behavior tracker. We're going to try to earn snowflakes to fill up the snow globe. Step 4 is read it. I like to do my whole group and small group lessons based on a snow themed book. We have materials ready for Little Red Gliding Hood and Good Morning Snowplow. Let's take a look. After we were done reading, we did the comprehension questions. We also did a story elements graphic organizer all together. For small group, there's a wide array of activities to choose from. We also did this My Snowy Red Riding Hood Fractured Fairy Tale, and it was so cute reading their stories and seeing their adorable illustrations. Another or additional option is the book Good Morning Snowplow, for which we planned several comprehension activities, including vocab cards. The other half of step 4 is to compute it. I like to include my math lessons in my classroom transformations, and today we did these snow themed word problems. The kids loved these because after each problem, we get to add a little bit to our picture. Today we were drawing a penguin. They follow along with this worksheet to keep them engaged. In between our lessons, we did this snowball brain break practicing our spelling words. This brain break was exactly what they needed. Step 5 is centers, and this really takes up the bulk of the transformation. There's a lot of station ideas to choose from. These are the ones I went with this year: some math, reading, and art. Here's a closer look at all 4 of my stations. At my skating pond, they were completing a subtraction just through 18, color by number. It was a really good review for what we've been working on in our math curriculum. Over at the Cozy Cabin station, they were working on a snow globe I Spy, where they'll practice reading winter words and counting how many of that object they find in the hidden picture. This also makes great morning work for your snow globe classroom transformation. Moving over to the lodge, we just did a fun step-by-step snowman drawing. I knew the kids needed a little break, and it was fun to be creative. Over at the sledding hill, they were writing their own comics about what they would do if they themselves got stuck in a snow globe. These turned out so cute. There's so many choices for centers. I'll highlight a few here. I love this trapped in a snow globe writing craftivity. The students spend some time drawing their snow globe scene, put a picture of them in it, and they'll write a story about their time in the snow globe. Another one is the snow globe scene math using shapes, snowy arrays, R-controlled sort. I also love this main idea mitten match. For even more ideas, check the link in the description. Step 6 is extend the fun, and this is where we'll throw in some STEAM and social studies activities. Try states of matter activities, a study on the life cycle of a snowflake, or try a science experiment like making snow or melting ice cubes. Lastly, take your students to winter wonderlands around the world. We're at our last step. Let's make the day tasty. Some optional snack ideas are these frosted cracker snowmen, these snow globe cups, or marshmallow snowmen. And because you're a VIP viewer, we are offering a $1 week-long access to our digital and printable library, searchable by grade level, category, resource type, or even Common Core. Your VIP link is in the description. Check out these 2 videos and be sure to hit subscribe to never miss any teaching tips and tricks.